There's no doubt that having a career is important for developing your future, so you need to choose it wisely. So here in today's video, we are going to discuss the top 14 highest paying professions that can make you a millionaire. Plus, I'm going to tell you the average salaries you should expect. Although the world is still widely affected by the presence of COVID, the flow of money did not stop. Instead, people are now more focused on their comfort and wellness, and they want to maintain their lifestyle. Are you thinking about a change in your career? Why not aim for a high-paying profession? Now the question arises, what jobs can it be? You'll find out because we're about to discuss the jobs that are expected to have the highest paid salary in 2022 in this video. But before we begin, I'd like to welcome you to Invested Knowledge. Knowledge is the new currency in today's world, and on this channel, I'm going to teach you the most accurate and up-to-date knowledge to be successful in life and in business. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel by clicking the button below. Hit the like button and turn the notification bell on. This way, you'll be the first to know about my new videos. 1. Enterprise Architect. So the first thing you need to take notice of is your skill. If you're an enterprise architect, this job is right for you. An organization architect is accountable for the whole infrastructure of the company's IT platform. A few of the main obligations of an enterprise architect are designing processes, documenting crucial IT procedures, keeping an eye on mission development, and keeping an eye on safety and security focuses. The average salary for an enterprise architect per year is $140,000 US, and you can find these jobs on-site, office-based, or they can be remote, so it's easier for women to pursue their profession. A total of 15,000 current jobs are available on Glassdoor for the enterprise architect. 2. Data Scientist. The average salary of a data scientist is $120,000 US. Data scientists make use of their analytical, statistical, and programming skills to collect, examine, and interpret large fact sets. They then use these obtained statistics to increase fact-based answers to tough commercial organizations running challenges. Many companies train you, and you can become a certified data scientist through their learning program. Those companies include Microsoft, Oracle, Amazon, etc. 3. A DevOps Engineer. The average salary of a development and operations engineer is $130,000 US. You can get DevOps jobs via LinkedIn, Indeed, Rose.com, and other online job search engines. They can work from home or office-based in your nearby region. Based on an average U.S. salary on Glassdoor.com, DevOps engineers are number 8 for top 10 paid IT jobs in 2021. A DevOps engineer combines a discrete knowledge of both engineering and coding, working with diverse departments to create and increase structural components in a company. From developing and enforcing componential software and comparing statistics to previous ones and enhancing and upgrading present technology, a DevOps engineer increases the productivity inside their workplace. 4. Full stack engineer. The average salary of a full stack engineer per year is starting at $100,000 US and can go much higher than that. You can get full stack engineering jobs, or you can do freelancing on various freelancing platforms, including Upworks and Freelancer, where you can do different tasks. Full stack engineers lay out customers' interactions on websites, increase the number of servers used and databases for the company's internet website capacity for updating their platforms. They depict along pictures designers to create internet layout functions and can take care of tasks from beginning to finish. 5. Strategy Manager. The average salary for a strategy manager per year is $140,000 US. Being a strategy manager, you must have a good knowledge of business and statistics. Also, you must have a good knowledge of IT and other advancing fields. If you have team management skills, you can be a good strategy manager. Strategy managers overview an agency to decide strengths, weaknesses, operational effectiveness, and possibilities for improvement. Endorse projects that decrease dangers and formulate plans to attain long-time period goals. 4. Machine learning. Machine learning engineers are the designers of self-running software programs that bring machines the capacity to automate predictive fashions. These engineers paint with information scientists to take records and feed curated information into the fashions that they have got exposed to or discovered. Machine learning is one of the most advanced skills, and it has a very bright future. The average salary per year for machine learning engineers are $130,000. You can become a machine learning engineer by taking advanced courses, or you can study for a complete degree at your university. 5. Software engineer. The average annual salary for a software engineer is around $120,000. Software engineers write, debug, preserve, and take a look at a software program that instructs a laptop to perform positive tasks, which includes saving information, appearing calculations, etc. A software program engineer will convert what wishes to show up into one in every of many programming languages, the maximum not unusual place of which being Java, C++, and Python. You can become a software engineer by taking up BS Computer Science at your university, or you can learn coding and programming under different computer languages. If you only know a single language, you can use these skills in freelancing, and you can get a bright future in it. 6. A data engineer. Data engineers are specifically tasked with remodeling facts right into a layout that may be without problems analyzed. They try this with the aid of developing, preserving, and checking out infrastructures for future software generations. In order to become a data engineer, you must have knowledge about big data and other advanced fields. There is a very high demand for data engineers in the market, and it's going to be in high demand for the next decade to come. The average annual salary for a data engineer is $115,000, and there's a potential for a lot more earnings to get than just the basic salary. 7. Product manager. Product managers are liable for the method and blueprint of a product or product line. They lead the product crew and all elements from the thought of the product to its launch. The average salary for a product manager is easily ranking around $100,000. You can either work from home or you can get an office-based job. It all depends on your convenience. 8. Java developers. The average salary for a Java developer is around $100,000. Java developers generally tend to work at startups and become aware of the advent of quite a few apps to visit the marketplace and fill present consumer orders. They are part of a software program improvement crew and are chargeable for designing, imposing, and retaining Java applications. Most of the mobile apps and Android apps are written under a Java language. You can get various jobs under this category. You can either become a freelancer or you can get an office-based job and work from home. Jobs from various platforms, including Glassdoor.com, Indeed, Naukri.com, LinkedIn, and Upwork, or you can offer your services on Fiverr. 9. A system analyst. They are responsible for solving the problems in a cost-efficient manner. As a systems analyst, you will additionally take a look at applications and databases to ensure they may be working properly. In addition to running safety audits and files on system structures inside the organization. The common average income of structure analyst inside the U.S. is set around $145,000 USD. It can be both office-based or home-based. 10. Cloud architect. A cloud architect deploys and looks after an organization's cloud computing strategy. The common yearly revenue of a cloud architect is $197,000 USD. There are platforms like Microsoft, Oracle, IBM, and Amazon which offer cloud architect courses, and you can either become a certified cloud architect or you can study cloud and maybe then open the door to various opportunities. 11. IoT Solutions Architect. It is the era of Internet of Things, IoT. It is one of the most advanced features of clouds like IBM and others. One of the most in-call and best-paying jobs in this era nowadays is an IoT Answers Architect. The IoT Answers Architect is a management function in overseeing the method in the back of the improvement and deployment of IoT answers. And on this highest paying tech job, you could earn a median of over 200,000 USD. You can get a remote job or office-based job in your neighborhood, or you can get an international job. 12. AI Architect. An artificial intelligence AI architect develops, manages, and looks after AI tasks inside an organization. An AI architect ought to have deep expertise in arithmetic and statistics. The common every year earnings of an AI architect is set around 230,000 USD. Artificial intelligence runs various daily life systems that include self-driving cars and navigation systems and many others. 13. Software Architect. A software program architect optimizes the improvement system via means of making layout alternatives and dictating technical requirements along with coding tools and platforms. The common every year income of a software program architect is often ranked above 200,000 US dollars. It's one of those jobs that can be on-site work or work from home. 14. Blockchain Engineer. Blockchain engineer who makes a specialty of growing and imposing structure and answers the use of blockchain technology. The common every year profits of a blockchain engineer inside the U.S. is set at 150,000 USD. You can get a job at the convenience of your home, or you can get an office-based job. Even this has a tendency to give you a bright future, and it can offer you a good lifestyle. So those are the highest paying jobs that can potentially turn you into a millionaire. So, whenever you choose your profession, choose it wisely. Your salary will depend upon your progress, so make sure you keep on polishing your skills. That's it for today, guys. We have given you brief and quick ideas of high-paying jobs. If you love similar content, don't forget to take a look at my other videos. Let us know your views about the video in the comments section, and we'll be back with more, so stay tuned.